Hello, I'm Uglanoid, your robot teacher. Today, I'll explain the contract category. The number of agreement forms is not the same in all languages, and this difference can be regarded as one of the main criteria for determining the typological characteristics of a language. The presence or absence of agreement forms is often connected with the presence or absence of prepositions. For instance, Finnish has 14 noun case forms. These cases often express meanings that are conveyed by prepositions in other languages, resulting in a limited number of prepositions in Finnish. In contrast, English has many prepositions, but a relatively limited system of agreement forms. Prepositions in English are words like of, in, on, and at, which typically function as the head of a prepositional phrase and denote relations in space and time. English prepositions are usually simple and do not inflect. They can form phrases with adjectives and verbs, providing further context or extra meaning to sentences. There are also languages in which the system of agreement is weakly developed or almost absent. Languages such as Bulgarian, Italian, French, Russian, and Uzbek traditionally distinguish 6 main noun cases. If each agreement form is analyzed as a special grammatical category, it can be seen that it has a complex and multi-layered nature. A grammatical category is a linguistic classification that denotes a specific feature of words or phrases, such as tense, number, gender, or case. These categories help convey meaning and establish relationships between different elements in a sentence. Each form consists of several semes, that is, minimal units of grammatical meaning. One of these meanings is objectivity, since the category of agreement is primarily associated with nouns denoting objects or events. Another important meaning is grammatical gender, which is clearly expressed in languages such as Russian. In Russian, all nouns have a grammatical gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. The gender of a Russian noun can often be determined by its ending. For example, most nouns ending in a hard consonant or are masculine, while most ending in or are feminine, and those ending in or are neuter. Grammatical gender in Russian is crucial because it affects the endings of nouns and influences how words like adjectives and pronouns are formed in a sentence. The third seme is number, including singular and plural opposition. Number agreement refers to the grammatical rule that requires nouns, pronouns, and their corresponding verbs and modifiers to match in singular or plural forms. This is essential for creating clear and cohesive sentences. For instance, in English, a number of takes a plural verb, while the number of takes a singular verb. The fourth seme is the distinction between animate and inanimate nouns. Animacy is a grammatical and semantic feature found in some languages that expresses how sentient or alive the referent of a noun is. In many languages, such as Slavic languages, animate nouns may have different case forms than inanimate nouns, particularly in the accusative case. These meanings together form the semantic structure of agreement categories. In Russian, noun agreement is characterized by the presence of all these semes. In addition, each case in Russian has its own specific meaning, such as direction expressed by the dative case. The genitive case, for example, often conveys possessive relations. In Uzbek, however, the category of noun agreements does not express such a wide range of meanings. Uzbek noun agreement corresponds mainly to the meaning of objectivity. Uzbek nouns do not have grammatical gender. While the concept of number exists, it is primarily expressed through suffixes like lar for plural forms, and adjectives generally do not need to agree grammatically by number. Possession in Uzbek is indicated by possessive suffixes attached directly to the noun. Uzbek also uses postpositions to indicate grammatical relations, similar to how cases function in other languages. It does not reflect grammatical gender, number, or animacy in the same way as Russian does. Uzbek agreement forms are therefore monosemantic, while Russian forms are polysemantic. From a typological perspective, Uzbek shows similarities with English. This is because English noun agreement forms, such as the possessive and demonstrative forms, are also largely monosemantic. English pronouns, however, do agree with the animacy of nouns.